English listening practice.
Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about discipline, the real key to achieving our goals. We all want to accomplish things, whether it's getting healthier, learning something new, or doing better at work or school. But often, we lose motivation, or we start and then stop. Discipline is what keeps us going, even when motivation fades. First, let's see discipline for what it really is. Discipline isn't about being strict or forcing ourselves to suffer. It's simply the habit of doing what we planned, even when it's tough or we're tired. It's about showing up consistently. If we wait for motivation, we'll only take action on the days we feel good. But with discipline, we don't leave it to chance. We make progress every day, little by little. Now, let's talk about why discipline works. Discipline builds momentum. Imagine you want to learn a language. Studying a bit every day, even for just 10 minutes, adds up over time. Each day makes the next one easier. Soon, you're not even thinking about it. You're just doing it. And that's the power of discipline. By creating small habits, we make big changes over time. One thing that helps with discipline is setting realistic goals. We don't need to overhaul our lives overnight. Instead, we can pick one thing we want to improve and take small steps daily. Let's say you want to get fit. You don't need to work out for hours every day. Start with 10 to 15 minutes. Do it every day, and you'll be amazed at the results. Discipline isn't about perfection. There will be days when we slip, and that's okay. What matters is that we get back on track the next day. We don't need to be perfect. We just need to be consistent. So, let's simplify discipline. Start small. Stay steady. Don't aim for huge changes right away. Just show up every day. In time, you'll see results, and that progress will motivate you even more. In the end, discipline is what turns dreams into reality. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Thank you for listening, and let's start building the habits that will bring us closer to our goals.